an age, I turned to Anthony when he turned to Carline's cage, but no one's really there. Does that mean it's done in vain if no one really cares? I'm back to acting strange like Daniel Johnston in Texas. At some point in the 80s, passing out his cassettes with the J card that he drew, or did he ever expect it? I guess it's just what happens when the music's so respite. The world is so appalling and you come to detest it. And you could say that I was nervous then, fairly awkward now. Leave the speakers loud when you feel self-doubt. If there's any chance that we'd still hang out, we could detail dreams while we stare at passing clouds. Those modal masterworks, they tone all over the seams when I ask afterwards. All message lost in between the shifting aperture, depicting sun-soaked scenes. I guess they resonate. That's universal consciousness. Take two of us.